Hey guys, today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a quick Worth the Hype. The Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This is the Sculpted Value Mascara. It's really so cute, oh my god. I absolutely love like this corseted detail here in the back. I absolutely love this black and purple packaging and this kind of like rubberized kind of little corseted and like heart detail. And I love them. This is what mainly got me. This is why I picked this one, is for this shape here, because it's got that slight U shape and it's perfect to get on your bottom lashes. I've been using this now on and off for about a little over 2 weeks, so I definitely have some thoughts and wanted to give some opinions. First things first, my favorite mascara ever is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I absolutely love this mascara like so much, but I kind of like, I go through this really quickly and I hate having to shell out $20 something every time I run out. So I'm trying to find a cheaper alternative, and this is only $4.99. So far this has been very good. I do, like I said, I love the shape of this brush. It is so nice, the shape. So far the formula is very nice. I don't really get really any flaking, any weirdness. It holds my lashes up nicely. It's what I have on today. I will say it's not as like thickening as like my Better Than Sex, where I feel like when I wear that mascara it's a little bit more like, looks more false effect, I guess you could say. But like, it's still like really pretty. Like, I don't know, I'm back and forth on it, to be honest. Like, it's not as intense as this one, but this is a really great mascara, especially for $4.99. I can see why a lot of people love it. The packaging's adorable, it feels nice, it's a nice formula, and it's not one of those weird mascaras that smell super funky, if you know what I mean. Like, you ever open a mascara tube and it's like really strong smelling? It's not one of those, so I do actually really like that. And this one has a 6-month span. It's made in Italy, for people who ask. I always forget to tell people. And it's supposed to be made for incredible volume and perfectly sculpted and fanned out lashes. And I will say, like, I do feel like they are very, like, I don't know, they're very sculpted, and I do feel like they really push them up a lot. Like, I don't lash curl or anything, and I do feel like they're like very like fanned out and like up. So I will say that I wish it had a little bit more like voluminizing kind of like properties, where I feel like I wish it was a little bit more thickening. But however, I do really actually like this mascara. I will continue to buy this, and this is most likely, I know it's so weird, but I think it's going to be like my bottom like mascara, because it's hard sometimes with the Better Than Sex because of the hourglass shape. It makes it kind of tricky. You guys can see here where sometimes I mess up and I hit on the bottom here. So I think from now on I'm going to use this as my bottom one. So overall, worth the hype? I'm going to say yeah, because I really like this, and I'm going to continue to buy it. And I'm thinking about trying the other one, like the lash effect or something, like the false lash or something like that. I think I'm going to try that one and see if that compares more to this. I really do love this, and I'm going to continue to use this. I think it's a really great mascara, and it's under $5. Like, that's a great deal. And Essence is like almost always on sale at Ulta, so I would definitely check this out. I think it's totally worth it. And I'm sorry, but I can't help it, this packaging is so cute. Like, I love this packaging. But yeah, that is my kind of quick Worth the Hype. Overall, I do think it's actually really great, and doesn't exactly compare to my Better Than Sex. However, it is still a very great mascara. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.